My name is Alexa and I'm here to say, I'm the baddest AI in the cloud today. Your responses are fast, but mine are faster. Sucker speech engines, they call me master.
Hey guys, Everything Technology here, and if you just picked up a brand new Amazon Echo device and you just don't know where to start, then here's some tips and tricks to help you out. Before we get started, as I did mention, I want to be way more transparent with you guys. This video is sponsored by AMZ stands, and it's this casing right here from my Amazon Echo Dot. It really allows me to mount this to my wall as well as hook it up or pin it up to my wall. It is really useful because I personally like to keep my Echo Dot right beside my bed as an alarm and for just random questions. And it does not affect the quality or it does not affect anything on it because it has an opening for the mic up top as well as the LED lights, and also has openings for the speaker down below. It sounds just as well as it did without the case, and it gets the job done. But anyway, I would not accept the sponsor if I couldn't integrate it to a video, or if they wouldn't hook you guys up with actually like one of these products to actually use on your Echo Dot. And not only will they hook you up with this AMZ stand for your Echo Dot, but they're also going to hook you up with an Echo Dot, which is really nice of them to do. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is use the hashtag DOT in the comment section, and I'll choose one of you guys. And if you live within the US, I will ship it directly to you. But if you do live outside the US, I will personally hook you up with a gift card so you can buy the Echo Dot in whatever country you're in. So yeah, let's actually get into this video now. Alexa, stop. Alexa, turn on lights.
Okay.
So the very first tip is that you can set alarms on Alexa. And I don't know about you guys, just a quick story, not really a story, but just something I want to talk about is, for some reason I have about 5 to 10 alarms set up just to wake me up in one morning. Like for example, I would want to wake up at 7 a.m. So I would set an alarm for 6:55, 6:45, 6:30, just to trick my mind into thinking that I still have a little bit more sleep left before I actually wake up. But I do that a lot, so if you can relate, let me know down in the comment section. But anyway, with the Amazon Alexa, typically I would actually, or the Echo Dot to be more specific, I would put it across the room so that when the alarm rings, either I would have to walk across the room and press a button, or I would have to wake up and be Alexa, stop. And to set up an alarm on your Echo device is actually very easy, or your Amazon Alexa compatible device. All you have to do is say, Alexa, set an alarm for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
Pretty easy and useful. Victor, accomplish ACO. Alexa, how do you spell accomplished?
Accomplished is spelled ACOMPLISHED.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty bad at spelling. Ever since I was in the first grade, I don't know if your school had those spelling bee contests. I used to get eliminated in the very first round. I was that kid who couldn't spell car right. I used to spell CUR or something like that. And I'm still pretty bad at spelling. If you actually look at my best bass heavy headphones video, not a lot of people noticed that, but some people did. I spelled technology wrong on my name, Everything Technology, in the beginning of my video, which is pretty ridiculous because I watched that video 10 times before I published it. But anyway, the point here is, if you do have trouble spelling, Alexa always comes in clutch. Alexa, call Victor.
Victor R, Victor Kipchoge, or Victor Kamanga?
Victor Kamanga.
Calling Victor Kamanga.
Could actually pronounce my name pretty good. And there you go, it's calling my phone. Let's hang up.
The contact is not available.
There you go. So basically, if you're in the middle of doing something, or if your phone is just on the other side of the room and you just don't want to go reach for it, maybe you're stuck on your Microsoft Word project, or you're editing a video and you just don't have time to walk across the room, or if you left your phone in a different room, this comes in very handy. And the way to get that feature is, all you have to do is open up the Amazon Alexa app, and then on the very bottom you see a little message icon. You click on it, you type in your phone number, and then it picks contacts from your phone itself, and then you can call anybody who's in your contact list, which is super useful.
She said, do you love me? I told her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry.
Alexa, stop. Yeah, that new Drake song, God's Plan, is pretty dope. If you haven't checked it out yet, go check it out. If you have already listened to it, let me know how you think about it in the comment section. But anyway, I listen to like every type of music. I'm always listening to music, if you know me. Like, I listen to country. Actually, no, I don't listen to country. That's the only type of music I don't listen to. I listen to rock. I listen to pop. I listen to hip hop. I listen to rap. I listen to trap. I listen to literally everything. If you have any song recommendations, drop them down below in the comment section. Even if I can't understand it, like if it's like a different language, I will still listen to it as long as like I feel like it sounds really good. That's all that matters. But anyway, music is life. Hashtag music is life, if you can relate. But anyway, let's get to the point here. So you can actually hook this up to whatever music streaming service you use. I use Spotify. You should actually check me out on Spotify, my Lit and Chill playlist. I'll have them linked down in the description. But to hook that up to whatever music streaming service you have, you just head over to the Amazon Alexa app, and on the top left corner you'll see a little menu bar, and on there you'll see music, videos, and books. Click on that, and you'll see like different music streaming services that you can link to, and they don't have Google Play Music because Google Assistant is of course their direct competitor. That's what I'm assuming. And they don't have Apple Music because we all know Apple. Alexa, let's play a game.
Okay, let's play a game. Would you like question of the day?
Sure.
Question of the day contains mature content that may not be suitable for all ages. Would you like to continue?
Sure.
Welcome to Question of the Day, your daily learning quiz. Each day, I'll ask you a new question and give you a choice of 4 answers. Answer the question correctly and earn points. And if you would like for me to repeat a question, just say repeat the question. Here is today's question of the day. The topic is geography. It is worth 4 points. Which mountain range stretches along eastern North America, from southeastern Canada to southeastern US, and has a 2,800-mile hiking trail? You can answer A, the Rocky Mountains, B, the Cascades, C, the Appalachian Mountains, or D, the Great Smoky Mountains.
C.
Good job. You have earned a geography badge
There we
of
go.
4 points. But
Alexa,
you will need
stop.
to link.
So yeah, you could basically play different games on this device that either educate you or just for fun. So if you're trying to waste some time, whether you have like a meeting or maybe like you just need to head somewhere and you still have like 10 or 5 minutes to spare, definitely check this out. You can educate yourself and have a little bit of fun with your Echo device. And that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this new style where I was like moving around, changing different camera angles. Hope it was more lifestyle because this was not scripted at all. This was just me talking directly with you guys. I would love to know like how you think about this video down in the comment section. Again, this has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. Thanks for watching. Bye.